Most programs that are out there, whether you're paying a couple $1,000, $25,000, or even some people I know have paid $100,000, it's typically a process which kind of like university. So, I talk about if you went to MIT or one of these high-end universities, you got the best teachers there. They're fantastic. There's some great teachers out there, right? Teaching this stuff.
Mm.
But then when they're done, you have to go and execute on all of that. So you hopefully you've taken good notes. They give you other tools to do it. But essentially, you have to execute, which means you have to understand and talk to the outsourcers. Sure, they tell you how to get outsourcers, but you still have to go do that. You have to ask the questions. And you have to be the logistics person that brings all those things together. That's one of the most difficult jobs. And then even more importantly, I've seen it so many times, after these people have done their thing and did all the tools and practices and put everything out there, it doesn't work.